Shy That Way. Okay, it's done by Tristan Prettyman with Jason Mraz. I'm sure you know Jason Mraz. Okay, so this song is for Nathaniel. He'll be showing off his guitar skills for this.
Hey, Amanda loves you! 要这吹，要吹这要吹，要能会在那个，能会在那个。Masa the Queen name tag Amanda. Now she already.
You know you're stunning, you're absolutely stunning, and I'm running, always running. And now I'm crying, it's only cause I'm caring. If you were more daring, maybe you stop staring. Come over and talk to me. Tell me about how you've been waiting so patiently, and how you try to just turn away. And I say, well, you know, shy that way, shy that way. Maybe I shy that way. Oh, you know you're stunning, you're absolutely stunning, but you're always running. But I'll catch up to you, the way you keep the distance is keeping my interest in that. This is still maybe someday, some way, somehow, sometime we'll get together and we'll break it down. And I'll ask you why I gotta be that shy, gotta be that way. Maybe, baby, oh, I like it that way. Shy that way. You know I love you so shy, shy that way. So keep it coming, 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 shine that way. Always too much talking and I wanna just keep walking, but I keep staring, baby, keep staring till I may not know the right things to say. I'll get to you one day. I'm shy that way, shy that way. Do you like it? Do you like it when I'm shy this way? Yes, I like it. Yes, I like it when you're shy. Shy that way. I like it shy. You know it's alright, it's okay, 'cause we're shy that way. Thank you. Okay, so for our last song tonight, this is it's a more current song. I'm not sure if you heard it. Superman, not the fighting one, but Superman by Joe Brooks. Anyone heard it? Did I hear someone? Oh, someone's favorite song.
Tell him on mic stand now.
There are no words to paint a picture of you, girl. Your eyes, those curves, it's like you're from some other world. You walk in my way, my God is so frustrated. So why do I disappear when you come here? It makes me feel so small. Why do I blow my lights most every time like I've got no chance at all? I could be a Superman and fly into the stars and back again. 'Cause every time you touch my hand, I can feel my powers running through your veins. But I wanna write a song and tell you that I'm not that strong. 'Cause I'm no Superman. I hope you like me as I am. It ain't no lie, I have to tell you how I feel. But each time that I try, It gets a little more ugly. You say my name, God, I can't stop shaking. So why do I disappear when you come near? Makes me feel so small. If I could just read my mind, girl, I would find any trace of me at all. If I could be a Superman, I'd fly you to the stars and back again. 'Cause every time you touch my hand, I can feel my powers running through your veins. If I could only play this song and tell you that I'm not that strong. 'Cause I'm no Superman. I hope you like me as I am on the edge. If I could be a Superman, I'd fly you to the stars and back again. 'Cause every time you touch my hand, I can feel my powers running through your veins. But I can only write this song and tell you that I'm not that strong. 'Cause I'm no Superman. I hope you like it as I am.
Hey!
Thank you.
Hey, why next? No solo. Next solo. Oh, next. Amanda.
So.